Hi friends, welcome back to your Rise and Shine Pilates Retreat. Today is day 4. Today is Embrace and Empower. Today's retreat is designed to help you embrace yourself, where you are in your journey, be grateful for where you are today, where your body is today as you work towards your goal, and empower yourself through today's Pilates retreat. You're gonna feel strong, amazing, empowered, and rejuvenated as you complete today's Pilates retreat. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with our legs crossed, sitting tall, and arms resting by your side. Take a moment to open your collarbone wide and rest the hands by your side. Find a good comfortable seated position as you transition here for your time for yourself, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, bringing energy and power into your body, and deep breath out, letting go of any stress or tension from your body. One more time, deep breath in and full breath out, letting the spine lengthen as the legs rest onto the mat. And set your sacred intention for yourself today. Our group here has a goal. We're working towards embracing our individual journey and empowering our best self forward. You can add on another personal intention for yourself here as well. Breathe in, breathing in confidence and clarity, and exhale, breathing out calm and peace, and gently open your eyes. Let's go ahead and turn around and lay down on the ground. From here, let's go ahead and bend our knees, sitting up tall or upright. Let's start with arms reaching straight and forward, and then roll your pelvis back. Take your time. If you need to go sideways and roll on down to the mat, you can do so as well. Remember, we're embracing our individual journey and enjoying this retreat. Bring your legs hip distance apart for leg slide. Slide your right leg on the mat, and keeping the pelvis stable, you're going to point and flex the foot. 3 more times. 2. Last one. Notice how that feels so good for stretching the leg, and slide the other leg out. So just one leg goes out and in. 3 more. 2. Last one, and bend the knees and slide the heel back underneath. Going into alternating arm, bring the pelvis back into neutral. Engage your abdominals in and up, and reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Bring one arm back behind the ears as the other one goes towards the pelvis. Back to your center and switch and reach. Keep the ribs engaged onto the ground as the arms go up and down, letting out a big stretch through the upper back and out like you're marching, laying down, right? This is fun. Should be fun, right? And let's go one more each way, other way, and bring both hands down by the ground. Bring your right leg into tabletop and left leg into tabletop. Keep them hip distance apart. Anchor the back of the pelvis onto the ground for knee folds. Lower your right leg down and lift it back up. Maintain that 90 degree and lower the other leg down and up. So engaging the pelvic floor muscles up and in. Pilates is known for pelvic health, abdominal health, so that's one of the many wonderful benefits of Pilates, right? So we engage those muscles deep and connected as we move. Let's do one more each way. Can you keep your shoulders wide as you do that? Yes, you got this? All right, so from here, keep the legs up and lengthen your spine up and over to look at your belly button, and bring your right leg in, left leg out like an arrow, and switch and hold the other leg for single leg stretch, and switch, switch. Elbows are wide to the side modification. You can keep your head down as you switch the legs. Out with intention, in. Feeling powerful and strong as you reach out wide with your elbows. Imagine waterfall flowing down your neck and the shoulder, washing away any stress or heaviness you feel there. Engage your strong abdominals. It's there. Engage those deep muscles to power your movement. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Bend both knees in. Lower the head down. Turn your neck side to side, going into single straight leg stretch. Bend both knees in towards you, and then straighten both legs up towards the ceiling. Now, if you're not able to get the legs both straight, you can also bend your knees for modification. And lift your upper body up and over to look at your belly button. Bring your hands behind the hamstring of one leg as you pull that leg gently, and switch, pull the other leg. Inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Elbows are wide to the side. Modification, you can keep your head down as you swing the legs. Engage your abdominals in and up. Elbows are wide to the side. This exercise is excellent for strengthening those abdominals, empowering the whole body as we move the whole body. Pilates is always a full body workout, right? That's how we get such great results, and it works. And pull. Inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, and switch. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend both knees in, rest the head, turn your neck side to side, and turn over sideways facing me for side kick series. So from here, you're gonna go ahead and come on to kneeling. From here, your knee is right underneath your hip socket for side kneeling work here. The hand is underneath the shoulder, the wrist right under, and place one hand on top of the hip, or you can also place it behind your head. Bring that top leg up, hip height and lower. So we're just gonna go up and down, lift and lower. Engage that side body. This is really good for targeting the area under the armpit. We often forget, right? Lift and lower. You're doing amazing. I'm proud of you. Stick with it. Last 2. Last one. Lower the leg and let your body just stretch up and over. Breathe. And bring the hand up. And bring yourself back into kneeling. Let's go to the other side. So hand underneath the shoulder. Knee is right underneath this, knee is right underneath the hip. This leg is lengthened. Hand behind the neck or the hip. And we're just going up and down. So I'm going to do it this side with hands on the hip so you can see. Stay lifted on that underside. So really think about lifting the rib cage off the ground, engaging your side of the body. Up and down. And check your alignment. I had to move my hand a little bit more. Engage the glutes going up and down. Keep the spine long. Last one. And lower. And stretch up and over. Breathe. Stretching that side body. And lower. Back down. Let's come on down back onto the mat for Swan. So come onto your stomach. Legs are hip distance apart, and place your hands outside of your shoulder. Forehead is resting to begin. Press your pelvis onto the mat. Lift your belly button off the mat. Track your elbows back behind towards your feet as you lift the head, neck, and the shoulder up. Reach through the top of the head and lower your body back down. Breathe in, rise up. Turn towards me, circle the neck down, around, center, reverse that circle. And in. This is an excellent exercise to build that strength in your upper body, adding that head circle. Oftentimes we're in that rounded position, so it's nice to go the other way once in a while, right? Building strong posture. And rest the forehead. Tuck your toes under. Come onto kneeling and press back into a rest pose here for a stretch. And breathe. Breathe into the stretch. Walk your hands over towards the right side of the mat. Keep your hips reaching back over your feet for this side stretch. Breathe and melt into the mat. Walk your hands back towards the other side. Stretch and reach. This two-way stretch feels so good. Keep the feet, flex toes under. Stretch for your feet as well. then walk your hands back towards the center. From here, come on to kneeling for leg pull front support. So we're gonna come on to wrist right underneath the shoulder. So before we get moving, let's go ahead and think about long arms, long, strong arms, empowered, and really plug your arms into your shoulder girdle. So engaging the whole shoulder area here. Press your fingertips onto the mat like they are roots of a tree. From here, walk your right leg back, straight out of the hip socket, and bring your left leg back. Check your position here, making sure those legs are equally apart. Engage your upper back, lengthen through the top of the head. From your head to your heel, your steel. So think about long, strong, empowered posture here. You can stay here, or to add on, you're gonna lift one leg up and flex back and lower and switch to the other. So as you lift the leg up, everything stays still until you rock back and up. So flexing back and bring it back forward. Everything is engaged here. Building that strong Pilates body here. And out and in. Last one. And in, bend the knees. And press back into a quick rest pose here. Walk your hands back towards your knees. Stack your spine back up. Turn around to face forward. Bring your legs hip distance apart, knees bent. And bring your arms back for can-can. Bring the legs together here. Anchor your hand onto the ground, root them all the way down to find balance. From here, lift the chest up, engaging the upper back, rotate the legs to one side, then away from that side, and kick and bend. So we stay lifted in the upper body as you twist, and kick, bend. And 1, 2, 3, kick, bend. 1, 2, 3, kick, bend. Modification, you just keep going with this movement without extending the leg. Engage the waistline and kick, bend. One more, twist, 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 extend and lower. Great job, you guys. All right, let's go ahead and roll on down to the mat. Reach your arms long, sit up tall, and roll the spine down, vertebra by vertebra, stretching the spine, stretching the legs, and rest the hands by your side for figure 4 stretch here. Cross your leg up and over. If this is enough of a stretch for you today, you can stay here. For more, you're gonna bring that leg up into tabletop and place your hand behind the thigh and gently stretch that top leg towards your upper body. Feeling that good stretch along the glutes. This is one of my favorite figure 4 stretch. Doesn't it feel so good? Just breathe in, breathe out, allowing your body to stretch and release. Embrace where you are with your movement practice today and trust the process. Trust yourself, be gentle with yourself. Now let's uncross the leg. Other leg comes into tabletop. Remember, you can always keep that leg down if that's enough for you today. So here, bringing the thigh towards the upper body and being mindful we're not shrugging the shoulder as we stretch. Just keep the shoulders relaxed, gently hugging that top leg over towards the upper body. Ooh, I definitely feel it more on my left leg. I don't know about you. Just hold and enjoy this stretch. Imagine any tightness or tension just washing away, and you're feeling light and loose and more open. Breathing in, breathing out, enjoying your retreat. And uncross your leg, lower the legs down, and rest your hand by your side. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep, refreshing breath in. And deep, long breath out. And notice how your body feels as you scan down from the head through the middle of your body, through your toes. Notice the change you feel. Take a moment to celebrate what you accomplished today. Embrace where you are. Embrace your accomplishment today. Notice how your body feels empowered with strength, energy, flexibility and mobility, and a peace of mind. Know that it's always worth it. Breathe lots of love in and lots of love out. Open your eyes, turn around, use your arms to assist yourself back up. Come up to comfortable seated position. Congratulations, you've completed day 4 of your Pilates retreat. You should be feeling amazing. You've embraced where you are today in your journey and empowered yourself. I'm so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself too. Keep up the great progress, and I'll see you back at the mat very soon. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video and want to see more classes like this video, subscribe to this channel and tap that notification bell, and let me know how today's class went for you in the comment section below. See you soon again.